Hey there, Lisa Catto here, certified admin over in the UK with HighLevel. I wanted to show you a really nice thing that you can do for your calendars to have a personalized Zoom link for all of your calls. If I head over to settings and calendars, you'll see that inside of any given calendar, you will have to put in the meeting location. Here it is. Now, you can, of course, connect up your Zoom account. It will need to be connected. And what that will do is it will give you a dynamic, different Zoom link for each meeting. However, what you can do is create a custom link, which is a vanity. Let's say that your domain is Bampton Smiles and you want to have a Zoom link like that. And then that is the Zoom link that you use for all of your meetings. Now, how's that going to work? If, whilst you're still in settings, you pop over to domains and URL redirects, and at the top here, you will see URL redirects. Now, you obviously need to have a domain connected to your HighLevel account for this to work. And with that domain, you can create custom links. I'm going to add a redirect. I'm going to select the domain. And I'm going to say that whenever anybody comes to that domain/Zoom, I'm going to redirect it to my Zoom meeting room. In your Zoom account, you can find your personal meeting room under meetings. Every Zoom user will have a fixed link for their personal meeting room. And you could also, if you wanted to, create a meeting link specifically for that type of call as well and create a redirect. So if I take this link here and I go back into the URL redirect page and I paste that in here. Now, it doesn't have to be Zoom. It could be /meeting, and you might want to put in your GoogleMeet link or any other meeting link that's useful to you. The point is that now whenever anybody comes to bantamsmiles.com/Zoom, it will redirect them automatically to my meeting link.